Hey guys, this is Sid. Radio City 91.1 FM లో Monday to Saturday 2 to 5 p.m. నిన్ను ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయడానికి నేను వస్తుంటా. అండ్ హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే టు యూ ఆల్. దాట్ బీయింగ్ సెడ్, రేడియో సిటీ ఫ్రీడమ్ క్విజ్ ఆడుతున్నాం జాన్సన్స్ గ్రామర్ స్కూల్ పిల్లలతో. వాళ్ళకి పేట్రియాటిజం ఎంత ఉంది, దేశం గురించి వాళ్ళకి ఎంత తెలుసు, నీకెంత తెలుసు, నాకెంత తెలుసు, ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే స్పెషల్ ఈరోజు ఆడేద్దామా? Let's go.
We are doing something special for this Independence Day, where it is called Radio City Freedom Quiz. How much do you know about your country? How much do you know about your surroundings? How much? It's as simple as that, as a GK competition that you often participate. So this is how the rules are. One kid participates at a time. Among you all, one kid will participate at a time. I'll pop 4 questions. And it's no competition. It's no competition. Completely not like an exam. You can participate, and we'll have super fun. Just treat it as a fun segment right now. Name the first woman minister of independent India. The options are Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
The Constitution of India was drafted and enacted in which language? Okay, here are the options that you have. So, Hindi, English, Tamil or Telugu? Brinda?
English, sir.
Lock kar diya jaye, ma'am.
After so much of confusion also, it's a right answer.
Wow, superb. Who was the Bal in Lal, Bal, Pal? Did you get the question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And here are the options. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Perfect. Though we tricked him, he did it right. Congratulations, dude. Until when did India remain a domain of the crown? Here are the options. Until 26 January 1950, until 15th August 1950, until 26 January 1950, until 14th August 1950.
26 January.
1950 is what you're saying. Sridevi ma'am.
Yes, sir. That's the right option.
Do or die was the powerful slogan of India's freedom struggle. Who gave it? The options are Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar.
Gandhiji, sir.
Who among the following Europeans were the last to come to pre-independent India? The options are Dutch, English, French, and Portuguese. Okay, we'll play French. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following days is celebrated worldwide on the same day of Gandhiji's birthday? Gandhi Jayanti, to be precise. Here are the options.
Yes.
International Day of Non-Violence, International Day of Satyagraha, International Day of Peace, International Day of Liberty.
Option A, International Day of Non-Violence.
Yes, ma'am. Is it a right answer?
Bingo, right.
Perfect. Which was the first English newspaper in India? Times of India, Bengal Gazette, The Hindu, Deccan Chronicle.
Bengal Gatse.
Who sang the famous song Raghupati Raghava Rajaram during the Dandi March? Okay. Sarojini Naidu, Vishnu Digambar Pulskar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, or Kavi Pradeep?
Vishnu Digambar Pulaskar.
Sridevi ma'am.
Yes, sir. Amazing answer.
Who designed our national flag? Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, or Pingali Venkaya?
Option D, Pingali Venkaya.
Sridevi ma'am.
She's on the right move, sir. It's the right one.
What does the blue wheel that appears in Indian national flag stand for? Options: the wheel
Yes, sir.
of law of justice, the wheel of religion, the wheel of Krishna, the wheel of fortune.
Wheel of Law and Justice.
Are you sure?
Damn sure, sir.
It was a great session. Thank you so much all for joining me on Radio City Freedom Quiz. You guys answered really nice, and this is never a competition. This doesn't gratify. This doesn't give marks. This is just absolutely for the entertainment.
Thank you so much.
All the very best for all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep rocking. Thank you so
We are
much.
glad to
Shailaja
be
ma'am,
here.
Sudha ma'am, and Sridevi ma'am. Thank you so much.
Radio City.